Feeling trapped by document signing costs? Let's unlock the power of Docusign's free account and see how far you can actually go with it. First, head to Docusign.com and sign up for your free account. If you haven't already, the main feature of the free account is the ability to send documents for signature. See that big Start Now button? Click it. Now, upload the document you need signed. You can drag and drop or browse your files once it's uploaded. Add the recipient's email address. Now comes the crucial part. On the left, you'll see the standard fields: signature, date, initials, etc. Drag these fields onto your document where you need them placed. This is how the recipient will sign electronically. Important. Here's the catch: the free account only allows you to send a limited number of documents. You can only send up to 3 documents total for signature. Also, you are the only sender allowed in this version. Once the recipient signs, you'll receive a notification and a fully executed document. Remember, though, after 3 documents, you'll need to consider upgrading to a paid plan, but for occasional, simple signing needs, the free account can be a lifesaver. So, there you have it, Docusign's free account, limited but useful. Now you know exactly how to use it effectively. If you have any questions about Docusign, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.